What's up, guys? It's Steve, the Las Vegas car guy. So my apologies, it's been quite a good minute since I last posted a video. I just been working my freaking ass off at my primary job, and I've been, correcting and coding a bunch of cars. It's just been back to back to back to back. But I'm gonna talk a little bit about one of my buddies in this car. So my buddy has a C7 Z06, has a perfect setup. It's super clean. I worked on his car, I corrected it, I coded it, and the car is just A1. So tap in a little bit, and we'll get talking about this car, and we'll get you guys on your way. Till then, I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. So I'm here with Jeremy from 702 Racing and his 2015 Chevy Corvette Z06. What up, Jeremy?
How's it going?
So tell me what we're working with as far as the motor goes on the Z06.
So it's stock bottom end, 2650 blower, a little bit done to the fuel system, still pretty big pulley, intake, just basic bolt-ons.
That's why you're running like any type of fuel or whatever?
It's on E85 right now. We went away with the meth injection, so yeah, just E85.
Oh yeah. So we just got done paint correcting and ceramic coating this car. The car had a bunch of scratches and swirl marks and stuff, but we ended up getting rid of, I would probably say 98% of it. But the gloss is there and everything looks a lot better than what it was when it first came in. What type of wheels are we rocking with?
So weld full drag pack, 28 by 10.5.
And these are the 3-piece, huh?
Yeah, no, these are 2-piece.
Oh, 2-piece beadlock.
2-piece beadlocks. Yeah, Mickey Thompson, 18 Street R's.
And did you change the brakes too?
Yeah, so this is the 15-inch conversion. You can only run 17s, I believe, on the stock brake setup, so a little bit smaller brakes, lower control arm, just a full package.
Yeah. What size Mickey Thompsons are you rocking right now?
These are 28, 10.5, 15s.
Cool. And then you got the front runners too, huh?
Yeah, front runners are skinnies, so these are the 18 by 6 welds up front. Up front, the brakes, they're all factory,
just the backward wheels?
Yeah. Yep.
Hell yeah, dude. And then you got any plans for it?
I mean, for right now, it's kind of, I guess, somewhat where I want it to be, especially now with the paint. It's a fun car to drive around, but
yeah, it's a good daily.
It's real bad condition. It was kind of embarrassing, to be honest. So
yeah. No, this shit's actually pretty clean. So nothing major in the future?
I mean, really, I want to start getting into cosmetics. So
yeah. I know we were talking about possibly getting like the ZR1 front end.
Yeah, ZR1 front end and maybe some more carbon. I don't really have too much carbon on the car now, so that's kind of the plan for the future. Start doing some exterior work.
Overall, it's clean though. Where does this car come from the factory?
They say 650 from the crank.
To the crank?
Yeah.
That's cool, but the car was like, what, 3,300 pounds?
Yeah, they're right around there.
Yeah. Well, the car's pretty cool, man. I'm glad I got time to work on it. If you guys want to check out Jeremy's IG, it's slow.af.c7. And then go check out the crew. It's 702 Racing. They got some pretty dope cars. But until then, we'll go and check you out, guys. We'll check you guys out later and see you guys in the meanwhile. Peace.